Introducing the Extreme Shock Eliminator, 8H 5th Gen. In the packaging, you will find the installation toolkit provided. Start by giving your device's screen a good clean. Wipe away those fingerprints, smudges, and pesky dust particles. Carefully peel off the screen protector and align it perfectly with your device's screen. Use a squeegee to gently press down, smoothing out any air bubbles. If you're a newbie and don't know how to apply screen protector, you can use phone case as your alignment tools. And if there is any dust particles while applying the screen protector, don't worry. Just use the dust removal sticker provided. First step, peel the corner of your screen protector with sticker provided. Dab the area with dust removal sticker to remove dust particles and push bubbles out with squeegee. After the installation, you may need to re-register your fingerprint on the device. Now your Galaxy S24 Ultra is ready.